Welcome to the channel. We are going to unbox P-40 Warhawk RC Warbird by XK. The model is A220 P-40 fighter. Wltoys makes mini Warbirds in these models. So this plane is 3D to 6G and 6G to 3D switchable, and the plane is 4-channel. It has got rudder, elevator and ailerons. Length of the plane is 328 millimeters. Wingspan is 384 millimeters, and the height is 100 millimeters. And this is a ready to fly RC Warbird. It comes with transmitter, charger, battery, and everything you need to fly. Let's unbox. Wing. You can see a servo there which controls these ailerons. Fuselage with rudder and elevator. You can see two servos inside the fuselage which control the rudder and the elevator. Propeller, front landing gears, rear landing gear, screwdriver, 1S 400 mAh LiPo battery and USB charger. So I got two batteries, instruction manual, assembly instruction, and finally transmitter. It uses 4 AA batteries. In step 1, it says connect the plug of the wing servo to the position shown in the picture, the third socket from the tail of the aircraft, and the plug should not be inserted backwards. Tail of the aircraft, and the third socket is this one. First, second, third. Let's plug the wire into the third socket from the tail. It's done. Now we can fix the wing to the fuselage. Here are some screws to fix the wing to the fuselage. We have to use 2 screws. Now we will install the propeller. Finally, the landing gears. I have charged the battery. Let's connect the battery to the plane. Here is the battery compartment. Let's put in 4 AA batteries in the transmitter. On off switch. Transmitter is connected to the plane. Let's see functions of these sticks and buttons on this transmitter. The left stick controls the throttle and the rudder. The right stick controls the elevator and the ailerons. Here the button at the top left controls the size of the rudder. When you hear 2 beeps, the size of the rudder will increase. And the button at the top right is 3D to 6G and 6G to 3D conversion. When you hear 2 beeps, the plane will be in 3D mode. When you hear 1 beep, the plane will be in 6G mode, or the gyro will activate in this mode. And these 4 buttons are trims. That's all we have in this transmitter. Let's fly her and we will see how she performs. I will see you outside.
Ela lea. Hả? Rasi lai.